Hi, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. So let us get started with our series of one stock a day. Now, this is an initiative so that you focus on one stock and not 8 to 10 stocks. As you get experience, you can move to such a big watch list. But in the beginning, it's better to focus on one stock so that you understand the price action better. Also, if you make mistake or also if the trade does not work out in your favor, you are not going to lose more because you're focused on only one stock. So you also have a great understanding of that stock as you are only focused on that. So without wasting much time, let us get started. And thank you so much for showing appreciation of this series of one stock a day. So let us get started, guys. Let us get started. So guys, the stock for tomorrow is Power Grid. If you see, this stock fell very sharply, started to consolidate in this range, gave a breakout, and after this strong breakout candle, it has been consolidating in this range for the last 3 days. Now remember, if you look at the chart of Nifty, it has been dropping like anything. However, if this particular stock is showing me strength in a weak market, it means that buyers are interested over here. And remember one thing, this is a momentum stock, right? And momentum trades, they can usually give momentum on the upper side as well as on the downside. So whenever you take a trade against the trend, make sure you reduce your quantity to half, right? For example, if you are risking 1% in this trade, you should risk only half a percentage. And whenever you are taking the trade with the trend, then you can go with your full quantity, which is 1% risk of your capital. Now let us go to shorter time frame and see what kind of opportunity do we see in the market. As we know that the markets are in a downtrend, right? And we need the support of the market in order to lift the stock. So guys, this is the chart of Power Grid on a hourly time frame. As you can see, this stock gave a bullish momentum and now it is consolidating for the past 3 days. So in scenarios like this, what do we do? If I'm looking for a bullish trade, what do I want? This is a trend line. Can you see? It has been tested once, twice, thrice, and almost it has been halting at this level. So the next thing which I usually do is I mark the nearest resistance. If this particular resistance is taken out, I am looking for a long opportunity in Power Grid with my stop loss below this retracement. This is my plan for Power Grid. Do let me know what do you think about this stock and which are the stocks which you have in your watch list. However, I would appreciate that you post only one stock, right? You don't necessarily have to trade that stock, but at least focus on only one stock. And one more thing, whenever we are discussing these things, make sure these stocks are for the purpose of learning. Kindly do not trade it unless you actually forward test it, right? So with that note, thank you so much, right? Thank you so much, guys.